Hello everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more. And for today guys, I will share with you how to make salmon in cream sauce. You know, we are still in the middle of summer here in Canada and it's still a salmon season here as well. And so we're getting a lot of supply of wild-caught salmon where we are. And I'm going to be using pink salmon here, which is another beautiful, lovely variety of wild-caught salmon, and it's going to be delicious and I'm excited to share it with you. Let's get started. And the first step here is to sear our salmon, and I'm going to show it to you. So guys, I'm going to be using 525 grams here of wild-caught pink salmon. It's fresh and it's looking so gorgeous here. First thing here is for me to season it with lemon pepper. I'm going to sprinkle first the flesh portion of my salmon here. And we don't need to worry about salt because this lemon pepper here is already salted. And I'm going to flip my salmon fillets here to do the skin part. And I'm going to do the skin part. That's good. Now that I have seasoned my salmon, I'm going to heat up my skillet here and I'm going to add olive oil in it. And now that my olive oil here is nice and hot, I'm going to add in here my pink salmon. And I'm going to do the skin side down first. And we're going to sear each side here for 2 to 3 minutes. And once your salmon fillets are cooked, you can now take them out of the pan. And once your fillets of salmon are off the pan, you can add in your string beans. And what we're doing here is just to saute our string beans and give it some salmon flavor in it. And I'm going to season it with salt and then freshly ground pepper. And I'm just going to give it a good stir. Add more olive oil. Give it a mix. You can just add a tiny bit of water. Just kind of deglaze our pan here. And we'll cover this and let it simmer for 5 minutes just to cook down our string beans. Now our string beans here are cooked. This is going to be our side dish. What I'm going to do here is to take it off the pan here, transfer it to a bowl like this one, and then we're going to set this aside. Now I don't want to waste the flavor coming from the salmon fish, guys, in this pan here. What I'm going to do here is to add about 2 tablespoons here of butter. And we will let this melt. And now that the butter is melted, I'm going to add 1 minced onion here. I'm going to let it sweat. And into this I'm going to add 6 cloves of minced garlic. And we'll wait for our garlic and onion here to cook. And for me here, I just want my tomatoes to be fresh. And into this I'm going to add my 1/2 julienned yellow bell pepper. And I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt and freshly ground pepper, just maybe half a teaspoon here. And about a teaspoon here of crushed red pepper, just to get that kick on my sauce here. And then at this point, I'm going to add my half and half here. This is 1 cup full cream and 1 cup milk. And I'm just going to pour it all in my pan here. And I'm going to give it a little stir here, just to kind of integrate all the flavor from all the ingredients here. And I'm going to cover this and let it simmer. And now that my cream sauce here is simmering, I'm going to add in here my 250 grams of spinach. This looks quite a lot, guys, but this is going to wilt down any minute. I'm going to give it a stir here. Let's wait for it to wilt. At this point, guys, I'm going to add in a dusting here of dried parsley. And then I'm going to be using here about 1/4 cup here of sake. If you have white wine, guys, you can use white wine, but I prefer to use sake here. I'm going to give it a stir. And I'm going to give it a taste for salt. I need a bit more of salt in this one here. And as usual, guys, you can adjust your salt according to your taste. And then finally here, I'm going to add in my seared fillets of salmon. That's perfect. And I'm going to sprinkle here my chopped scallions. And then give it a final stir. And we're basically done here. So I'm going to turn off my cooktop here. I guess I'm back here and my salmon and cream sauce is now cooked. It looks so delicious that I can't wait to taste it. And for me, guys, this is a step up of the normal way that I would cook my salmon. I would just bake it or grill it or sear it in butter or olive oil. That's my usual way. But this is another way of, cooking my salmon here. It's a step up, like I said. And it looks so delicious. You can even offer this or serve this while entertaining your friends or your family. So I hope you guys will give it a try, and once you guys have tried cooking this dish, let me know what you think by writing down your comments at the comment section below. And please, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Again, thank you for watching today. I hope you did have fun, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.